Got a nice hot fire. We're doing, whoa. Well, we're back at Copper Falls State Park.
Okay.
Another week, another one-nighter winter camping adventure. It's actually 25 degrees.
And we're the only people here.
Yes,
Although
lucky
it
us.
said there was tons of sites booked, there's no one else here.
No, I think there's only 6 sites open in the winter here. But it did show somebody booking them, but nobody's here.
Get the gloves.
We're doing rooftop tent and teardrop tonight. There's nowhere to put the hot tent. Plus, usually when it's 10 above 0, you can do the rooftop tent. He's okay in there. We gave him our 0-degree bag, and he's got his 2 other bags.
I said, I don't want to try to, like, do you really want to put up the hot tent?
Well, there's just nowhere to put it.
Well, there's that. The sites are small.
Yeah, they're very narrow sites here. Long but narrow. I think it's supposed to only go down to 10 degrees tonight. It's not too bad compared to what else we've done.
This is a Jason fire.
It's a hot one. I don't hear any banjos playing though.
It was a little desolate getting out here. It's a little spooky. There's
Okay,
like
you're
nothing.
spooked everywhere
No,
we
there's
go.
like literally like there's nothing. There's like
Deep in the woods.
tons of area in between the small amount of homes that are out here. And then the little cities look a little just abandoned. It almost like abandoned. Like it just was a little eerie.
Yeah, oh my god, it's hot.
It's you need to like restack these.
It's time for some cocktail hour. Copper Crow apple brandy. This fireside outdoors pop-up pit comes in handy, especially in winter when you can't even get to the fire rings of these campsites because of the 4 feet of snow.
I have my little table over there. I got my marshmallows, my green tea.
You're supposed to play some cards. You're just a buzzkill.
Being mesmerized by the flames are putting me asleep.
I wanted to play more cards. It's fun.
Why? So I can just beat you? I mean, like
That's
you
not
like
gonna
getting your butt
happen.
whipped?
Let's go. What the hell are you doing?
Put the metal
I
stick
put it in
in
there
the
to clean
fire.
it off. It's like roasting the marshmallow.
Oh my god! Like,
They're like partially frozen marshmallows. Oh, he's dejected. He's not really good. Nothing.
wake up.
Turn it off.
What do you mean turn it off? It's time to get up.
Turn it off.
Rise and shine.
Turn it off.
It's snowing outside. Hello?
No, turn it off.
Good morning.
My hat on. Like, come on.
What? This isn't a fashion show. Good morning. We are 6:30. Didn't get too cold last night. It's time to get up. Breakfast, coffee, clean up camp. We're having breakfast and coffee. No. And it's snowing, so we have to pack out of camp in a snowstorm. They're calling for 10 to 15 inches in the next 2 days, so we gotta get out of here before we get buried in. Hey, you've slept enough.
Time to go back to bed.
Anyways, Fresh snow. Woo. We didn't bring a snow brush either, and my shoes got frozen. What are you cooking?
They're like, I don't know, it's like bacon, it's like thick cuts of bacon. It's bacon, but it's not like bacon slices.
I thought it said bacon jowls or something.
Yeah. So we're gonna put that on with some eggs and some mushrooms on some wraps. Banana nut bread coffee. It's a must try. Love banana bread. It's dark roast and has a hint of taste of bananas. I mean, you literally feel like you're eating banana bread, just drinking it out of a cup. It's so good. I'm gonna put this in a warm spot because I need this to brew because I need my coffee. I just gotta figure a way to heat my tortilla without burning my finger.
Well, guys, it was a quick overnight trip. It's a driving day, a lot of driving, road trip. So we didn't get to do a lot, but it's a beautiful park. As you can see, it's a beautiful snowstorm. Yes.
Snow.
I think we've already gotten like 4 inches since we've been here, and they're predicting another 10. So we need to get on the road and get out of here. We really appreciate the support. We love having you along. All the new subscribers, welcome to our channel. We have a lot of fun adventures planned this year, and we're looking forward to spring.
Yes.
Winter camping is fun, but we're kind of done with it. Almost.
Springtime. Lots of cooking. Big adventures.
Yeah, more cooking. And
lots of cooking. Love to cook. I just can't wait.
Make sure you like, follow, and share. And please subscribe. We have so much more to do, and we're just getting started.
We love having you with us, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you soon.
See you soon.